Hi, this is Sheryl again, and this is day 3 of Vacation Bible School Crafts. Today, Jane is going to tell you about a man that Jesus healed who was paralyzed. Paralyzed means he couldn't even move. His legs were paralyzed. He couldn't walk, he couldn't run, he couldn't even stand up. He couldn't do any of the fun things that we do with our legs. To help us remember that Jesus heals legs and feet too, we're going to make lots of footprints. So find your baggie that has the stencil of the bear's paw print. It also has some chalk in it. And you can make footprints with the stencil or your own feet or whatever you want to draw of feet, anywhere that your family says is okay to draw with chalk. I've seen it used on sidewalks, driveways, garage floors, even on paper. Just be sure it's an okay place for drawing with chalk. Just imagine the man who was paralyzed, how his footprints would go. He would have very tiny, short steps as he first learned how to walk. And then when he got good at it, Jesus would see him taking longer steps, and soon he was running and jumping for joy because Jesus healed his feet. I wonder where your footprints will go. The Bible verse sticker can go right on the stencil to help you remember it. And as you draw footprints, you will be remembering that Jesus can heal feet and legs too, because he loves you. Oh, what's this pretty? Oh, it's a bear! It's a bear! Oh no! Be brave, be brave. Let's find out. It's you, Fluffy. And you found some friends. Oh, it looks like Bigfoot is coming to Vacation Bible School.